birthday party because Tinkerbreaker keeps making me go out of literally Tinkerbreaker. Like you can see my this is Tinkerbreaker. Just play my game. Like why? Why? Like say bye. I'm gonna edit the video and I will do part 2 tomorrow. So bye. I do back from my head because like I missed my whole entire video literally got cut in sadly. And my stupid Token Baker made the video because I forgot to say bye.